Yo, what up, everybody? This is the official Snapchat replay of Bacon Fest this weekend at DELL'OSSO Family Farm, and it was a wild one. So let's go in there. We're going to see how my story did. I'm going to give you a little bit of commentary during some of the pictures, and then we are going to get out of there. All right, let's go. So check out my story. If you don't know how to view your own story, you click these three dots right there. It'll drop your whole story down. Scroll to the bottom. Let's see. So 460, last story on there. All right, doing pretty well. There's a few screenshots in here. People like to screenshot and collect geo filters, and I use quite a few geo filters when I go out. So let's get in there.
Yo, what up, everybody? Oh, it's gonna be a good day today. Bacon Fest? Oh, yes! I'm gonna search to find the best bacon. I got a lot of ads this weekend, probably because I was posting so much about Comic-Con. But hey, new friends, have a good day. Nice to meet you. Come over and say hey. Oh, let's go. Yeah.
On that trip there, little speed cam, a little bit of art. Yeah, I forgot to put it on mute. I love this shot right here. First time I brought out my camera in a long time, but it was totally worth it.
All right, I just arrived. Check the filter. The road is bumpy. All right, we trying to park. All right, y'all, we made it and we're ready to roll. We out here in the parking lot. And I mean, it's way down there. Can we get a ride? Ask, and so shall you receive. That's my ride. All right, we're going to make it inside DELL'OSSO Family Farm.com. And that's a pumpkin patch out
here. All the kids were jumping on this.
I see something that looks like a lot of fun. I'm about to hop right on over here. You already know it, son. Oh, shit. Up close and personal. Get him out of there. Ooh, looks dangerous.
Man, they had some really good food up there.
I don't know, but I'm willing to find out.
And chocolate covered bacon? Yes.
Everything in the making. It's about to be delicious. Those are some monster dogs. Yup, you already know it.
I just want to let y'all know that hurt my stomach after that. Can't do that again.
All right, that's enough pictures. It's time to dig into this bad boy. Woo-hoo. Man.
Yeah, that lemonade looks good, but it wasn't.
Man, they said this was lemonade. Do this even look yellow to you? It was like strong lemon water. What is this? Thirsty though. Ooh, that's clean. That one's clean.
Pimp my ride.
So, man.
It's definitely like something off of Pimp My Ride. And the dice. A hamburglar. Yeah, okay. The smoothie line.
Y'all probably couldn't tell in that last snap, but this line is kind of long.
That smoothie was delicious.
Now, this is worth it, all right? This ain't no lemonade, no, not that Waterade I had just a minute ago. Woo-hoo!
Bacon Alley, where bacon dreams come true.
We just made it into Bacon Alley. It even smells like bacon. Hold up. Is it the Batmobile? Oh, it's on. What is this? Yeah, I got to get me one of these. Oh, you getting this, huh? It's a tight fit in there. That's actually pretty nice. Man, we got the motorcycles on the side. Who's that for? Little Bat Junior? Now this ain't Comic-Con, but guess what I ran into? Yo, what up, Bats? Nice here, man. All the rides, the old school.
Pork neck. Pork neck has flavor, but also gooey, yummy texture.
Man, that technique though.
We're gonna take off the pot.
So y'all saw that tent I was just at. Well, that tent that was cooking up bacon. All these people behind me are in line. And they got the right idea. Kick back, relax. Yeah. Kind of.
Love that pick.
The best guys around the whole valley. Give it up for my baby brother, Marty Torres on the drums. Happy Father's Day. Love you.
It got wild over there.
Ooh, that's what I need right there. I just want to jump in.
Yeah, I got thirsty.
I had to give in and get in the line to get some bacon. I ain't leaving until I get some bacon. So get some. Woo! Your boy has arrived, and I have found the bacon. Well, that's all she wrote. And the bacon is delicious. Oh, it's so good.
King size chair for a king size appetite. Just grabbing some pics and videos on the way out.
Now we're leaving, and we got to walk back. And I'm looking, and I don't see those trailers. They'll help you get here, but they don't care how you get home, and that's cold.
And that's all she wrote, y'all. Thanks everybody who stayed and watched the entire thing. I'll keep posting up these Snapchat replays because sometimes you don't get to catch the really, really good ones. And I'm only going to do Snapchat replays for the really, really good stories like the Bacon Festival. Oh, and if you didn't catch WizardCon, then you got to catch the WizardCon. I post these on my Facebook and on my YouTube. So, ciao.